Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-FLEX analysis training course, and the topic for today will be the section views applied to studies. The application allows users to construct sections of the finite element mesh by a given user-defined plan. So we can do virtually what we want, but I will show a very simple and easy example. The idea of having these section views is to see inside what is happening with the results, with the particular forces, reactions, whatever, to see inside the structure and not only outside. I've uploaded this example of the standard installation of T-FLEX. I will simply solve it. I'm not particularly worried about what is being calculated. Now I will open my tree. I will see what is calculated, so results. Open the result, so I get this kind of result. And in this results window, doing a click with my right mouse, and I have something called click plane and cities. I can instead turning this around and choosing one of the plans. So for example, this one, okay? And now active work plan, and for better view or better understanding of what is going on, I can do something like this and make the usual analysis to see the animation and see the scale and colors of what is going on. So the idea here is to check inside what is going on in terms of the result we are studying about. Any help about this topic? Let us know. We will give you all the necessary support that you may need about it.